guys! So for this video, I'm going to show you the behind the scenes or the process that took place for this project of mine. So this was a paper flower wall for a local beauty bar based in High Point, North Carolina. So I love the colors that was used in this. So it reminded me of Puto bumbong. So it's a Filipino delicacy that was or that is often sold during Christmas. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get into the behind the scenes look. So, hi, hello. Let's vlog about the process of like how I manage my projects. Yeah, I'd love to talk about that. Everybody does it differently, so I just want to share mine. Whenever I get a project, what I do is, of course, I first meet with them and I survey the space. I look at the space. I'm talking about a project for a permanent space, so a business space. So I categorize my projects into events and then business spaces because, of course, they both have different requirements. Business spaces, they're permanent displays. Yeah, business spaces have less requirements. Honestly, you don't have a lot of time constraints. And after my meeting with them, so what I do is I lay out the display because that gives me the idea of how many flowers and what types and kinds and colors of flowers that I needed to do. So I try to be systematic as possible when it comes to logistics. So I'm gonna box up the flowers by quadrants. So as you can see here, I've divided the flower wall into 4 and each box would contain 1 quadrant. Flowers, which are good because it's like the layout is just a guide. Most of the time or often is 70% accurate, but in actual it's like most of the time you would need more or you would need less, but it's just better to have more rather than less, of course. The different thing with this project is that this is the first time I've been thinking of doing this for the longest times. First time that I used a panel. So because in my previous project I was allowed to attach the flowers directly to the wall, which made the process very easy because there's no preparation involved. But for this, I wanted to try. Yeah, so the purple or violet wall looked just lovely, so I didn't want to damage it. With this option, there's gonna be minimal damage to the wall because but screwing or like placing screws is very crucial, is very important. Rather than just using the command strips, I wouldn't recommend that really. So if you're gonna go this route into attaching a permanent paper flower wall display, then for me, the most effective way is screwing it to the wall. you can see, I don't have enough flowers to cover that white area, so that's, I guess, one of, not really the mistakes, but hiccups. That's one of the hiccups in this project. It's like I didn't account for that area. So yeah, so what happened when I went in there and took an ocular or a sight check, the TV wasn't in there yet, and then the TV was just, the picture with the TV was just sent to me. So I just did my estimates and stuff. I thought the TV bracket was the flat type. So I didn't see that the TV was protruding. So if you see in the picture, there's a big chunk in there that doesn't have flowers because I underestimated the space. Because it's like, besides from that mistake, if the number of flowers that I made covered everything except for that spot, because I didn't consider that that's gonna be an empty spot. And lesson is that yeah, I need to charge for the extra panel. I didn't. So I don't know why I didn't. I just, yeah, it's like I have to be adamant that, okay, so if you want a panel, then there's gonna be an extra charge, because yeah, besides from the extra material, like it probably took me like another 30 to 45 minutes just to install the panel. Yeah, please don't berate me and tell me that why didn't you charge for this and that. It's like the panel for me is like, okay, minimal charge. Yeah, so I was able to finish this with the wires outside, but the owner did place the wires at the back. It looks better now. So this is my Puto bumbong paper flower wall project. So I really enjoyed making it, and I always enjoy the process. So if you have any questions, do leave a comment below, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So there's plenty more videos of like behind the scenes like this to come. So thank you so much. Bye.